Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Ray Food channel. I hope you all are doing great today. In today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make a quick, simple but tasty beef kebab or Kyikyinga, but not using kebab spices. I'm going to blend my own ginger and onion and all the rest together, and it will make a perfect simple kebab. So if you are interested, please keep on watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how to make this simple but tasty Ghanaian beef kebab of Kyikyinga, please keep on watching and let's get started. For this recipe you need some beef, and this is called TOPSIDE. It is very soft, and that's what I need for this recipe. I'll be using some cooking spray at some point. I also have here 2 Scotch bonnet peppers. I have ginger. This is a lot of ginger. I also have onions, and I'm going to use 2 medium-sized onions and 4 garlic cloves. I have also got 1 extra onion here, so I just cut it in 4 and I separated the onion to have it like this. I'm going to be using the bell peppers, so I call it the Ghana flag. So I have the red one, the yellow one, and the green one. But you can also use the orange one if you like. For the spices, I have 1 tablespoon of beef seasoning, 2 Maggi cubes, and 2 tablespoons of salt. You need salt, a lot of salt for this recipe. And don't worry about it, it will be fine. And I have got here 1 cup of vegetable oil. To make kebabs or Kyikyinga, of course you need some skewers. These are paddle skewers. So let's get started. So what I do is that I'll cut the meat into slices, and then I'll cut some stripes. It depends on how thick you want it. And then I'm going to cut it into cubes. So I usually cut it into 3 to have it like this. So this is the thickness I want. Next, I'm gonna blend the onion, ginger, garlic, and Scotch bonnet peppers. And guess what? I do not blend it with water. I always use oil. So this is the cup of oil I showed you. It is a personal preference. Now blend it until it is very smooth. Perfect. So I'm gonna stop my blender. Next, I'm gonna put my meat into my container. By the way, if you prefer to use another type of meat, please go ahead. So now I'm gonna pour my mixture on it, and then I'm gonna give it a little stir to make sure the pepper, ginger, and garlic is well incorporated. And next, I'm gonna add my salt, Maggi cube, and also the beef seasoning, and then I'm gonna stir it again. So the next step is not compulsory. I just kept it in the fridge for about an hour. It's even better overnight, but you can do it straight away. So this is my meat here, and I left it 1 hour as I said. So it is time to make our kebabs now. So however you want to do it, I start with onions and then meat and then bell peppers. It really depends on you, however you fancy. Okay friends, so this is how it looks like, and it is ready to be baked in the oven. Alright, so what I do is that I use a tray, I put some foil paper, and then I place my kebabs or Kyikyinga on it. Please don't forget to preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. So my meat is ready now, and I'm going to put it in the oven in the middle track, okay, for about 30 minutes for now. That's the first step. Okay, so just 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Alright friends, so it has been in the oven for 30 minutes, and what I'm going to do here is that I'm just going to turn the kebabs over to make sure it is cooked properly. And before putting it back in the oven, I'm going to add a bit more of the pepper, and trust me, it is nice. And then I'm going to spray some cooking oil on it, so that's why I needed it. So after going back in the oven, this is how it looks like, and as you can see, it is perfect, juicy and soft. So this is what you want. What can I say? It is just perfect, guys. So you really need to try this recipe. Alright, thank you all for watching this quick recipe. If you don't always want to use, the kebab spices, you can change it and use this recipe. It is also very tasty and very simple. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you next time for another recipe or another video with Henry, since he's stealing my show. See you, bye.